Welcome everyone to Balance by Megan. I'm Megan. Today we have a flow focused on neck, shoulders, and your upper back. So this is going to bring some relief to the neck, bring some opening to the shoulders, the upper back. We're going to get in some wrist relief too, which is great. For yoga videos that you can practice at home, make sure you click that subscribe button, hit the bell button to be notified when I post a free video. Grab your mat and let's create balance in your life. Let's go ahead and close down the eyes. Make sure you find a nice comfortable position and let's breathe. You can bat open the eyelashes and we'll flow. Drop the left ear over the left shoulder. Actively think of tugging that right ear up towards the sky. You can stay here like this, or we'll extend the right arm out, pressing the heel of the wrist away, and take the left arm over, guiding that ear closer to the shoulder. And go ahead and tuck that chin now closer towards the ground. You should feel this more in the back of your neck. And we'll release that. Moving on to the other side. Right ear over right shoulder. Left ear reaches towards the sky. You can stay there or extend the left arm out, press the heel away, and take your right hand and gently guide your ear over. Go ahead and draw that chin towards the floor. Feel this more in the back of your neck. And we'll release that, coming back through to center. Tuck your chin now down towards your chest. Feel this in the back of your neck. Breathe deep. Draw your neck back up. Bring the hands together into fist. And let's roll the fist in towards the body and away. Warming up the wrist here. Go ahead and reverse that. Try to keep the knuckles together here. Bring everything back to neutral. Take some shoulder shrugs. Inhale to take the shoulders up to the ears. Exhale to roll them back down and away. Inhale, breathe it up. Exhale, release. Keep moving. And we'll release that now. Bring the hands to your shoulders. And let's take some circles now with your elbows. So starting off nice and small, move the elbows forward and back. And reverse that. Maybe the circles get a little bit bigger. We'll release that now. Take a deep breath in, long exhale out. And we'll take the right arm up and bend at the elbow. Left arm comes behind us. We're moving into cow face arm. So try to get the fingers to touch here, or you can grab a hold of your shirt, or just press the hands back into your body here. Getting into the traps, the upper back. Try to sit up nice and tall here. Neck is neutral with the spine. No collapsing forward. We'll release. And take the right arm underneath the left. Give yourself a little hug here, self-love hug. or if you prefer, you can find eagle arms. Take a deep breath in, and we release. Let's move on to the other side. Left arm reaches up towards the sky, bend at the elbow. Right arm comes behind us, and we find cow face arms on the other side. Oh, look, there's a visitor. He scared the daylights out of me. Keep breathing here. Hi, puppy. He's a friendly little guy. And we'll release that. Taking the left arm now underneath the right for your self-love hug. Or if you prefer, you can find eagle arms, yogi's choice. Arms wrap around each other here. Elbows lift up and away from the body. We release. And let's come onto all fours here. Wrists underneath shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Let's spin the left fingers towards the knees. Left wrist faces out. You can rock a little front and back here. And this is a super intense stretch, so just move with what feels good in your body. And then take the top of the left hand down, press the top of the hand into the mat, fingertips still facing the knees. You can rock a little front and back. And we'll release that. Same thing other side. Right fingertips face forward, wrists splays out, rocking a little front and back. And then take the top of that hand, press it down into the mat. Fingertips still facing the knee. This is one of those stretches you kind of hate in the moment, but it feels so good. So good for the forearms, the wrist. And then let's zip the legs together, come into a hero variation. Do what you gotta do to bring relief to the wrist. Shake them out, take some wrist circles, whatever feels good to you. And then come back to all fours. Inhale to drop the belly. Exhale to arch through the back. Inhale to come to your cow pose. Shine the heart forward. Exhale, tuck your chin into your chest for cat. And keep moving here in your cat-cow. Move with your breath. Come to your neutral table. And then we'll send the right arm up towards the sky and thread the needle through underneath your left arm. Inhale to expand, reach the arm up. Exhale to thread the needle through. Inhale, expand, reach. Exhale, thread your needle through. And we'll hold after one more breath. Inhale, exhale. Pause here, staying here. We'll take that left arm towards the sky, bring it to the right hip crease. Find some relief in the upper back. We'll release the bind, bring it all the way back to neutral table. Same thing other side. Inhale to expand the left arm up. Exhale, bring it underneath. Inhale to expand. Exhale, thread your needle through. Inhale to expand. Exhale, thread your needle underneath. Once more. Inhale to expand. And exhale, find your thread the needle pose. And stay here, or find the bind on the other side. And we'll release. Bring everything back to your neutral table. Bring the knees in together. Find a nice comfortable pose, maybe a hero pose. And let's work out the kinks. Find some shoulder rolls here. Just getting everything out of the body. Close down the eyes. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fellow yogis. Your support truly makes a difference. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know, where in the world are you practicing from? I would love to know. I'm currently coming at you from Costa Rica. Bring the hands together now. Find gratitude for committing to your practice today. Bring the thumbs to the third eye, and we bow. The light in me honors the light within you. I will see you very soon, yogis. Namaste.